Eric, please save us. How long do I have diamond hands and diamond bowls for, man? Pump the price already. Pump the price. We need to go up from here, man. Oh, God. Diamond hands, diamond bowls. That's what you got to have. You got to have them. Good luck in the freaking stocks without diamond hands or diamond bowl. I mean, at least, hopefully you at least have one, right? I mean, luckily, I think most of us have both. But right now we're at 675. I want to go over the short interest data, which actually is not very good. It's actually bad, but there actually is one good thing. Believe it or not, there is one good thing for us right now. And I didn't actually. Okay, so if we look at the 4 hourly, right? If we look at this descending support, we got a perfect validation of that, actually, believe it or not. And, you know, I wouldn't consider that necessarily bullish, but I do like the fact that we are confirming a breakout of the descending wedge, which technically speaking, the price target is still 874. You know, that's what I set for this week. Way off, baby. It's way off. I mean, we're not even K. It's just been free fall. I mean, it looked good on Monday, and then it was just shit. Yeah, it was a fake out. But hey, it is what it is. And we did bounce off this twice now, essentially. So that's something. And, you know, as far as other news, there's nothing else except short interest data. If we look right here, you're looking at, we're down on the day right now, actually, hold on. Okay, yeah, hold on. That's AMC. Hold on. Okay, I got so confused there for a second. Okay, sorry, that was AMC. Sorry, I accidentally looked at AMC's. I was so confused. Okay, if we look at BNGO, I was like, wait, what the hell? 18% free flow. What kind of sorcery is this? Okay, here we go. This is the real one. So we're down on the day, but we still have 22% of the short interest. Still, I'm about to say 92 million. I know. I was so confused for a second. I was like, wait, holy shit. I got to be looking at something wrong here. Anyways, yeah, the short interest, yeah, we're still looking at 61 million. Shorts are, they're recovering a little bit today, and they are returning some shares, it looks like, so far. So we'll see what happens. Obviously, high growth is still getting killed in the day, but it doesn't matter, baby. We got diamond hands, man. We're down 1% right now. We got 9 million in volume. Horrible volume. I mean, this is going to be one of the worst volume days we've ever had. Seriously, look at this. Our worst volume day ever was the 8 million. We didn't even get 9 million, and then we got that for a couple days. And today is probably gonna be the third worst day in volume out of the entire year. This is gonna be the third worst day in volume out of the entire year, unless we get some big volume here at the close. So we've got about 40 minutes left, and that's pretty much all the new news. Now I want to talk about some expectations, and today I want to talk about besides the price action, of course, and if anyone's just getting in it right now, the short interest just decreased by a little bit. Obviously, the new Sapphire news. Does anyone not know about the news? I hope everybody knows about the news today at this point, but we did bounce off this descending level, and we did get the short interest decreasing on the day, actually, which is actually not what you want to see, right? Well, okay, it depends on how you look at it, but we're still at a super high short interest, okay? We're still at a super high short interest, and the stop price has not done anything based on, you know, we were up on the day 2%, and now we're minus 2%, and stop price is, you know, still not really doing anything. I mean, it's going up a little bit, I guess, since lows, but also full transparency, I did add, I mean, you guys saw this live, I added 300 shares at 673 or 672. I think it was 672. Let me see here. 672. Yeah, 672. I added 300 big ones. 300 big ones in. There we go. Yep, diamond hands, diamond balls, baby. What do you guys think? What are your end of day predictions? We've got this weekend is going to be big. This weekend is going to be also. We have not got Brennan. Unfortunately, he's not sent me anything new as far as what Eric has said. Not said anything new, and apparently Eric may be traveling. Actually, it looks like maybe squeeze imminent. But what does it mean though? Win Moon, win Lambo, win Brandon, make the stock go up. I wish I could make it up. I really wish I could. I could make it go up, but we've got 30 minutes to the close, and we've got Catalyst this weekend, and you guys know how I feel about it. You guys know how I feel about the value right now in the company. And earlier I was thinking about what Jay was saying earlier and what some bears were saying, because a ton of bears are really bearish now. And I've seen some intelligent comments and intelligent people. I think we found a new bottom and slowly go back to 8. Yeah, I think we will. I think we will. I do. I agree with that completely. We bounced off the descending level resistance here, and we turned it into the new support. It's simple as it gets. And, you know, it's not what you want to see. But technically speaking, I mean, one could argue that we're still on our way to hit 874 price target based on this descending wedge here that we broke out of. And now we just confirmed as a new support. So take it for what it is. But I want to talk about what makes the company undervalued, right? Green finish, please. Yeah, I know. I would love that. Everyone would love that, wouldn't they? That would be such a nice, the week still sucks regardless unless we finish the day up 10, 20%. But I mean, even if we can just finish green, that'll be a nice, pleasant surprise, nice change for the week. But I want to talk about what makes the stock undervalued, right? A lot of people, I've seen a lot of comments of people saying, well, I just saw Jay. I just remember Jay saying earlier, it doesn't matter if they go to, it doesn't matter that, you know, their revenue sucks. They have to have a ton of sales or else this shit is way overvalued. You know, you didn't say that, but, you know, it's just stuff. Just a lot of people disagreeing with me on the undervalued standpoint. And my number one thing I would say for us being undervalued is that the Sapphire is like, from my perspective, there's a 99% chance the Sapphire gets a ton of sales. And the reason to that is because it's better than everything else in the world of what it does, to my understanding. That is why we're going to get a ton of sales. I don't know when. I don't know if we're I mean, technically, I don't know, but I just know if you're one of these people that is in, if you're a clinic or if you're a whatever, an institution, a lab, whatever it is, hospital, whatever, research and development, whatever you're using the Sapphire for, it's just better than everything else, and you're losing money if you don't do it. So that is why, you know, a lot of people say, you know, oh, the revenue sucks ass, Brandon. What are you doing? Why are you diamond handing this shit when you could be making money elsewhere? Well, a lot of reasons, but that's one of them. I'm tempted to sell all my sheep and sheepdogs and buying more BNGO. Sheepdogs are the best, baby. Well, I'll tell you what. Is anyone selling? Hey, did anyone else add today? I added 300 big ones at 672. Wish I waited a little bit. Could have gotten into 660s, but I'm not complaining. Hey, it's an auspicious buy, I think. So, anyone else add today? I bought 8,000 shares yesterday. Would buy more today, but wanted to keep some powder dry just in case. Yeah, I understand that completely. I'm doing the same thing. I'm doing the exact same thing. I would be adding way more if I wasn't worried about a brand. Am I selling? Do you take me as a fool, Brandon? Oh man, that's the truth right there. No, I don't. That's a good comment though. Yeah, of course. I know, Cody, my friend. Stat them chips and be ready for that dip because it's still coming. You sure about that? All right, maybe. We'll see. I added a 668. Hell yeah, but better than me. 677. You guys are getting better average prices than me today. Yeah, I was 672. And to recap the news for the day, right? If anyone at this point, I hope everyone knows the news today, but basically the news today, ape language really quickly, is that we have a new Sapphire partnership agreement. What does it say exactly? A commitment to yeah, that's right, strategic partnership with this the Wickham's, and then we have 1,000 presentations coming up essentially, and we have the CMO, and a lot of people think the CMO is going to do great stuff. I like the CMO. She's really smart. She's got a ton of credentials, but is this going to be bigger than the other presentations? I don't know. I hope so. I definitely hope so. And then we got this thing, and then we got the what do you call it? We got the BGCI thing. Where's the BGCI? Here, this one tomorrow. Okay, so today. This they said tomorrow, but this was posted yesterday. Yeah, so this is happening today, 4:20 p.m. IST. Okay. So yeah, we got a ton of presentations going on, and I'm sure they will post a thread whenever that's done, so we can get the recap. But right now, we're barcoding, baby. We're barcoding. Yay! We're barcoding. That sucks ass. I'm being sarcastic. I'm not good at being sarcastic sometimes. See people may think I'm serious. Anyways, 672, we're barcoding the shit. We lasted about, 30 minutes, and then we started barcoding. Yeah, and here we are. That's what we're dealing with right now. Yeah. Barcoding to the close. Barcoding to end the week, most likely. I had a 668, but I added yesterday at 705. Hell yeah, we are mooning. Nasdaq is high AF right now. I see it hitting 14.85K because of the S&D triangle price chart, but then it will go down, which may cause BNGO to dip as well, sadly. So what time is that central? I don't know off the top of my head. I don't know. But hold on, let me go to the Nasdaq real quick. You see it hitting 14.8. I'm worried about the Nasdaq, I'm going to be honest with you. And here's the thing, guys. Oh my God, this valuation is getting absurd right now. Every single day, what was the advancers decliners? Last time I looked at it, there was 4,000 decliners and only 2,000 advancers. It's like, dude, how is the Nasdaq doing this? Like, it's just Apple and Twitter and all these big companies is going up, and that makes the Nasdaq go up. Everything else it's sucking ass though. I told you guys this before. Bionano was valued at $15 on this day right here when the Nasdaq tested the previous all-time high. Since that, Bionano has just gotten way better throughout this entire freaking W pattern, entire thing. Bionano has gotten exponentially better. And now the NASDAQ has returned to above all-time highs, and now it made new ones, and it by a huge amount. And Bionano is still trading at lower than 50% to all-time highs. It's like it's got what? What are we? 60% to all-time highs? No, more than that. No. We're more than 100. Wait. No, we're more than 100% away from all-time highs now. Yeah, we're more than 100% away. Think about that for a second. Think about that disparity. And it's not just with Bionano. It's with almost all of high growth. That's all it is. And I don't think you can explain and justify that just based on high growth hype and too much pumping and inflated because of the Reddit and the dead inside days back prior to February 16th. I don't think you can, because the companies have only fundamentally gotten insanely better, especially Bionano. And several of these have gotten exponentially better. The value has literally halved, though. They're still a half of what it was on February 16th. It's like, this doesn't make sense. We are not mooning, Brandon. I wish we were, and I think we will. But you know what I'm going to say. You know what I think. February 16 days were good. Yeah, I know. I got the limit set. If it dips to 650 this hour, I'll have another 1,000 shares. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I think, hey, if you have 1,000 shares that you're setting buy limits, I think you know what you're doing, so I'll save you the spiel. It's funny to me how the bear case for Bionano is still a bullish case. Bear case, we dip down to 430, double bottom, and go to the moon and print tendies. Time frame on moon, no more stimulus. Time frame on moon. I've been wrong a lot this week. I've been wrong a lot, especially short term. That was my sister calling. Anyways, here, let me put the ringer off for you. All right, what was I going to say? Time frame to moon. Time frame to... Here, let me also put on Do Not Disturb. Okay, there we go. All right, Do Not Disturb. Okay, Do Not Disturb is on. When are we going to moon? That's a great question. I think my target is July 13th and when the quarter two earnings are. Okay, I think... This is just me. I could be way off on here again, but I think that this is going to... I am pretty confident that Eric's actually going to say something new in here. And my reasoning is a little bit... I don't know for sure, but I just know the facts, which is that the stock price is going down, and I think the company cares because of all the recent presentations and pre-R that they put out the last few days. I think he's going to say something new. Plus, it's before earnings. Plus, he's got 1,000 things to talk about. I think he's going to say something new here. Hopefully, it is a company overview. I hope that includes the future, and I hope he says something new and something that they're working on now. So I think that's going to happen. I think that is going to send the price well. I think that's going to do very well for the price. And quarter two earnings, I think it's going to do very well for the price. I think so. I mean, today just makes me even more confident. I say it every day. Every single week I get more bullish on BNGO. This is why. Okay? We got a new strategic partnership today. Earlier in the week, we got the Llewellyn Hospital adoption. Like, there's just sales happening left and right. It's like we don't even know about most of them because the company doesn't report on them. We already know about 3 China Sapphire sales happening this quarter, and then we also know about 5 other installations based on Twitter pictures and Twitter announcements that happened during quarter two and will count to a quarter two revenue. So if you put all those things together, yeah. Brandon's sister takes off mask, reveals Eric's face. that's a plot twist right there. That's deep right there. I wish, my friend, I wish. I have 12K and your sister was calling to tell you she has top secret info about the nails. When do you think China sale will be on the news, and what do you think it will do to stock? I don't think it will be on the news. It's not going to be on the news. Bionano is secretive, and they don't want to do PRs. They don't like. Well, I don't know if they don't want to, but they don't do them. When we get good news like this, they don't do PRs on them. So I have 12K in BNGO. That's all I have. I'm at break even now. I'm not sure if I should sell 6K BNGO in case drops due to the market. It's a scary thing. It is a scary thing for sure for the markets. And you do what you got to do. You know, I, for one, that's the reason why I haven't added all the rest of my shares. I did add another 300 shares today for anyone just getting in right now and didn't know. And we do have amazing news. And I'll go over the groundbreaking news here in a little bit, I'm sure. But the market's pulling back another 10, 15, 20%. I mean, thinking about what that would do to Bionano is certainly scary. So, yeah, do what you got to do. I'm not saying you should sell. Hell no. I never recommend selling. But, do what you got to do, man. All right, no more stimulus, plus Americans not wanting to work for a living is going to hurt our stocks. The huge jumps are over. Well, it doesn't. At the end of the day, Bionano's, the company itself doing great things is the most important thing, to be honest with you, okay? The company and the money that we're going to make, that's the most important thing. The government, the economics, it matters, but not as much as the company, I would say. All right, presentation will be in India. Yeah, it is going to be in India. It is virtual, though. It's virtual, though. Yeah, it's virtual. Yeah, virtually. Yep. Companies don't report sales of their products. Only will you know how much they sold when earnings are released. Well, they have before. The Bionano definitely has before, but usually they don't. NHS and Africa adoption. BNGO is going to make Elite of the movie in real life going to be half human, half robot. There are genetics to links with metal parts. I don't know about that. I hope you're right. I don't know about that though, my friend. Long play or short play best for BNGO? Long play, no doubt. It's long play. And here's the reason why it's a long play. This stock is insane. Okay, this stock is literally, I mean, it's out of its mind. Okay, it's batshit crazy. All right, what sends the stock up is just, you know, and what doesn't send the stock up, like a, you know, a strategic partnership that we just got today, it's impossible to predict. Okay, and what I'm telling you is that the news that we get for Bionano, you never know whether people are going to care about it or not. And from the technical standpoint, also, by the way, technical standpoint, this is new. By the way, we did bounce off the descending level of the descending wedge, the descending resistance here, confirmed as support. So technically speaking, you can make an argument for us still being on the way to hit the 874 price target. All right, have you thought about investing in SQQQ? Yeah, I have. Well, not SQQQ. No, I've been thinking about UVXY. That's the fear index, and that's the one that that's the one that I'm more interested in. If you want to hedge your bets. That's what I was thinking about doing, maybe, but I probably won't. I'll probably just keep more buying power on. All right. Let's read some stuff here. Short interest on BNGO. Short interest decreased slightly, right? So, by the way, you better have diamond hands, diamond balls. If anyone's just getting in here right now, that's the title for good reason. Have diamond hands, diamond balls, baby. That's the only chance of making money in this stock. All right, now you got basically 2% down on the day. 61 million. You're still looking at 22% of the free float curly. So short, higher in AMC. Short interest is higher in AMC. You heard that correctly. What does people do? What does Wall Street Bets do? Continue to censor me. Continue to ban everybody on BNGO. But it's whatever. It's fine. Brandon, this is 20 Sapphire sales confirmed. Also, I now have 311 shares, bro. Hell yes, Mark. I feel happy for you. That's awesome. That makes me feel good. I am. It makes me feel good, and also it makes me feel stressful at the same time, because when people, well, whatever. I'm glad, my friend. That's awesome. But I will say the 20 Sapphire sales, it's essentially, it's not necessarily, I mean, it was a speculative thing to begin with. I actually saw the original thing that actually started the speculation. The person was speculating that it was actually 29 sales and not just 20, but it's not based on any, there's nothing to substantiate that. It's literally, he was saying, how many sapphires would there need to be if every hospital that they did wanted to do one test a week or something weird? So it's not, I wouldn't get too excited about the 20 sapphires being sold. So yeah, pretty much it has not happened. Brand, if that big sale is true, it won't matter if the word doesn't get out to the retail buyers. Well, here's the thing. Here's the thing with this buy. Here's the thing that's fun here. And here's the thing that is open to speculation, okay? We don't know, and you guys know what I think about this, okay? A strategic partnership, I think, like somebody else said, right? I heard this earlier. Somebody was commenting as in it's a strategic partnership. They're gonna maybe be buying around 20 sapphires over a period of time. Maybe they didn't buy 20 all at once. Maybe they didn't buy 10. Maybe they just bought a couple now, and they're gonna be continuing to buy as they influence and work with their more than 200 hospitals nationwide that they do have business cooperation with right now, right? Everyone's talking about, oh, Wickham's is such a small lab and whatever. Yeah, they only have 1,000 square feet of third-party medical testing laboratory and whatever, but they work with over 200 hospitals. So, you know, they got pretty big influence. So that's what it is. How many sapphires have been sold here? I don't know. Have there been any? Here's a question for you. What if nothing's been sold yet? And what if they just did a partnership? I mean, I would assume it's been, there's at least been a couple sales. I mean, why would you do a partnership without getting one sale, one sapphire at least? What else are you doing here for? What else are you doing it for? But yeah, that there's plenty of questions that we can speculate on. I don't know. We don't know for sure. All right, why is AMC squeeze potential higher if BNGO short interest is higher? Well, that's a complicated question. Brandon, if that big sale is true, it won't matter if the word doesn't get out to the retail buyers. Right, but I do think Toots, that's another whole thing. I can rant more on that, but I want to read some other stuff here. It's a partnership. Wouldn't BNGO supply them with free sapphires? Not necessarily. Not necessarily, right? No, I don't think necessarily. No, strategic partnership. This could just mean this company is strategically partnering with them, meaning they entered a contract agreement to buy X number of sapphires over X number of time. Maybe. I don't know. This is open to interpretation. I mean, strategic partnership, that's a pretty damn loose term. I mean, you can, I don't know. You tell me what you think that means. It can mean a ton of different things. Right. Newsweek, how much do you lose this week? He didn't lose anything. He didn't sell. It's just paper losses, my friends. Yeah, exactly. Newsweek literally said it. He said it at the exact time I did. Oh, man. Well, I own 1,500 BNGO now, average of 588 LFG. Yes, sir. That gets me excited. Yes. That gets me hyped up. I think, and here's the thing, guys. You know what's going to happen next week. I don't know what's going to happen, all right? I've been way wrong. Dude, this week I have been way off on my predictions. I mean, short term, I've been way off. I've been super inaccurate, but I will say this. If we do get a correction upwards direction next week, everybody's gonna jump right back on the bandwagon and be like, "Oh, I knew it! It's such a good stock. I should have listened to the news that Brandon was talking about." Oh man, that's gonna be too funny if that happens. But hey, this thing could go down to $5, so make sure you have diamond hands and diamond balls if you're gonna hodl this shit with me and enter in the war and continue hodling and fighting against the damn shorts and manipulators and the market makers that are trying to suppress this shit right now as we're speaking. I feel like BNGO is giving them free sapphires to use in pitches to the hospitals. That's a good idea. That's a good thought. To hospitals, good for quarter 3 and quarter 4, but I don't know if any sapphire sales actually occurred. Hopefully, though, I feel like a sapphire sale did occur though, because if you read the rest of this, look at this. Okay, they did this agreement because they want better structural variation. So I do think they are actually buying one. Okay, look. Introduction of the Bionano Sapphire platform to expand genetic testing services. I think they actually got a Sapphire at least. I think so. To introduce... Okay, look at this. Come on. To introduce its Sapphire platform, they're getting a Sapphire. I mean, I'm 99% sure. Based on that, I mean, I could be... Tell me if I'm missing something. But I hear you. Cody Brett, I hear you. That's an interesting thought. They could be doing that. They could be... Hell, they could... Hey, this is a thought for you. What if this is... What if they're doing this and they're buying 10 Sapphires over 5 years? Or over 1 year, or whatever it is, and then they're also going to do what you said and get free sapphires to make a pitch to the hospitals to get them with the hospitals that they work with. That's a speculative as hell, but it could be, sure. The value of my shares is down a lot of money since 700,000. I think that is since I sat with Brandon. I am not buying his airfare to San Diego until we are at $12. It is what it is. If you want to play. Put your money in. Better have a lot of shares. Volume is horrible today. Volume is less than 10 million today. Last I checked, and that was like 5 minutes ago. Let's check it again. Yeah, it's horrible. It's like, this is going to be the third worst volume day of the year, most likely, unless we get a nice volume pump here, which we could. Sticking with BNGO after squeeze. Oh, hell yeah. This is a long-term play. Yes, absolutely. I love the fundamentals of BNGO. My problem is the valuation. It has a lot of growth potential priced into the stock price already. So one piece of bad news or bad ER, we're going to get killed. Yeah, you're not far off. If we did get a bad ER, we probably would get killed. But I think if we, and this is, Jay disagrees with me here. I respect Jay. Jay always, I learn a lot from Jay in live streams all the time. But I disagree with him on one thing, and it's that I think if we were to match the estimates for the revenue of 15.6 million or 16 million, somewhere in that range in the year, I still think the stock will be easily above $10 end of year. And I think that's because a lot of people are doubting that Bionano is actually going to get sales. And once they see that we are getting 50% year-over-year revenue growth like we're supposed to, I think that's going to do only good things for the valuation. But maybe not a huge amount, right? Maybe not a huge amount, but it's going to be good. That's damn sure. All right, but understand, if you're going to hold right now, you need diamond hands and diamond balls, baby. You don't have a chance of making money if you don't have diamond hands and diamond balls. Hopefully you at least have one, my friends. I think it's possible a lot of hospitals are waiting for 2.0, greedy hospitals, yeah. The higher throughput Sapphire, the 14-fold increase in the throughput, well, I don't know. There's some holes in that philosophy, maybe, though. Down price on low volume is fine. If you have balls, you hold and stop crying. Yeah, but if you have diamond balls, you hodl and you... yeah, you just hodl, yeah. You don't hold, you hodl. Hodl, boys! Hodl the line! The price-to-sales ratio is insane. Dude... I don't want to hear it. This is a good damn company. YOLO in if you have to. YOLO in. Caden is here. Hello, Caden, my friend. If I buy into BNGO, do I get a happy ending? Yes. 16 revenue all year is cake. BNGO about to get 6 million quarter 2 2021 and be profitable quarter 2 2022. God, that would be nice, wouldn't it? $20, here we come, right? Buying orders coming in. Seeing this at 440. and did not sell, I would be surprised. And let me talk about what he called the price to sales ratio. Yes, the price to sales ratio is insane. And my rebuttal to that is that, well, you can't value a company just based on one indicator. You know, you have to look at more. Although that does look horrible, you have to understand that that the Sapphire is better than everything else in the world at what it does. You know, there really is at the fundamental level 99% chance that Sapphire is going to get a ton of sales. From my perspective, I mean, we're just better than everything else that we do, right? And this is what no one says. No one talks about this. I'm not a damn scientist, but I'm not a genius. It doesn't take a genius to figure out that the specs of the Sapphire are just better than everything else, right? Next generation sequencing, it just can't compare. So if you know a product is like better than, like, if you like take it this way, all right, if Apple's dominating the market and then some new company comes in with a phone and then the phone is like 1,000 times cheaper, it's like $5 and it does the same damn thing and better, that product's going to get sales down the line. Even if it's not getting sales right now, it's better than everything. Okay, that's kind of what the Sapphire is. Now that's a little bit of a hyperbole example, but you get what I mean, right? 526 million is small compared to its valuation. Yes, of course it is. Means the price to sales ratio over 100 needs better revenue growth for people to get excited. Yes, I agree, but I still need the price to do well. Do you agree with me a little bit, Jay? Maybe not. I'm the biggest bull when it comes to the company growing and its fundamentals, but at the end of the day, I'm an investor and valuation matters. Of course it does, my friend. It's only one damn thing, though. Of course it does. Of course the valuation matters. The price to sales is bad, but yeah, bar that code. Yeah, I know. Oh, man. I'm addicted to the stock. Price of sales would be okay if revenue growth was better. Jay, what would you like? What would you be happy with, my friend? What are you looking for? 20 million? 18 million? What are you looking for? 30 million? What are you looking for, my friend? Aaron, isn't revenue growth pretty insane though? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. That's what I'm kind of making an argument for, right? If we look at where's Chartmo? Do I have Chartmo bookmark here? Here we go, right here. All right, and you just look at the discounted cash flow models as well. You can see. If we go right here, future revenue estimates. Okay. If we were to match the 3.5, okay, so they changed it. You see how I always say they've changed the estimates? They do. Okay, the price is just barcoding. Spam the chat if the price is moving. I don't think it is though. Okay, but if it is, I'll go back on it. But if we look right here, you're looking at a 200% year-over-year growth for quarter two if we just match the 3.5 estimate. And I know people are like, oh, it doesn't matter, Brandon. We're still not making that much. I don't care. We're still making insane gains, bro. We're still making growth. So I still, if we are going to match every single one of these, people are going to see the green and realize, hey, these guys are on trajectory to get the Chartmo estimate of, now this is, to get these revenue numbers. And that's really small. And the Chartmo is very conservative, and this is still not that bad. All right. Price of sales would be okay if the stop price is 2 or 3. You almost be addicted to pain then. Yeah, everyone loves it now. Everyone doesn't love it now. Everyone hates the price now when we're green next week. If the high growth goes up again, everyone will love it. Again, that's just how it is. Everyone hates it. I mean, back here, did you hear anyone nagging me about the valuation over here when we were getting the new CCO and CBO? No! It's only that it's only a bad company when it starts going down and free falling. It's okay. Of course, we need to have the bear case. We need to have the arguments with the bears, but it's just, it's a... Okay, let me read that. If you want to understand the market, watching Oxygen really helps because that is total fraud, whereas BNGO is not. Why is BNGO going down? Because very smart people want your shares. Yeah, I'll pin that. All right, done. Yeah, pin. Pin, boy, you got a pin. I talked with a commodities trader 2 days ago. He told me that a trader called him from the Philippines, and he recommended BNGO. That's the other side of the world. Do not get too technical. I want close to 100% annual revenue growth rate. Holy shit. Quarter four revenue in 2021 was 3.9 million. We didn't beat that in quarter one, and it isn't expected to beat that in quarter two and quarter three. That means quarter four year-over-year growth will be around 10 to 20%. Yeah. Well, Jay, that's only, hey, right now, remember, Jay, I'm with you. You know this, of course. You know what I'm going to say, but they can easily upgrade these things right here, and obviously I'm sure you realize that I think we're going to get more than... Actually, no. Well, okay, yeah, it is increased. Yeah, the estimates here are pretty damn big for 3 and 4. 5 million here. Last quarter 4 2021 was 3.9 million. That's more than 10%. That's more like 20-30%. But yeah, I hear you. I hear you, though. Yeah, okay, sorry. It's right here. Yeah, 31, almost 32% year-over-year growth right there. All right, am I mad at these numbers if we get this shit? I mean, it's going to be a slow ride. It's not going to be like we're going to get $20 this year. It'll be more like $10. $10 valuation probably if we match all these. Maybe a little bit higher. Depends on the international. Depends on other stuff. Depends on high growth in the markets. But I'm not necessarily super sad and super mad if we don't blow all of these out of the park. But I mean, you want 100% for each quarter, year over year? Yeah, that would be insane. I wish we get that. I hope we get that. I'm not a bear. I'm the biggest bull when it comes to company, but not the stock valuation. Yeah, I heard you there. Let's just jump 100% from here. I need tendies. Oh man. I said what I have. Please support Brandon and study. I'm working on analyzing the patents. Oh yeah, Newsweek. Yeah, I sent you the email. You got the email, I'm assuming. Okay, good. Yeah, please get that. Please go get the analyze the patents. Yeah, he's going over all the nanonozzle stuff and seeing how much truth there is to it, baby. Hopefully he'll tell us some stuff about that. All right. The high estimates for revenue, not the consensus. Oh yeah, you could be right. You could be right. Yeah, this is just chart mill. I don't think this is the consensus. Let me see. 3.5. I don't know. The quarter two one is very close to the consensus. That could just be a coincidence. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. I hear you, Jay. That could be good. That could be good. Here's the thing, Jay. I'll tell you. This is what I'll say. I think you know what I'm gonna say, man. I mean, I think this shit is. I think we're gonna beat this shit. I mean, that's as simple as it gets. I think we're gonna get closer to 18 to 20 million on the year when everyone else is projecting 15 and 16, right? I think we're getting more than that. I think we're gonna beat that. And the recent article that we just got, this one right here, this one literally just said, and we just got the thing today and earlier this week, the Waven Hospital stuff. But if we look right here, the last 15 installments have higher sample volume, which means more consumable revenue. They're clinically driven, bro. This is great. I mean, this is great. This would lead one to believe that it's likely that we're going to beat the quarter two revenue, man. I mean, consumable revenue is like what? It's about a third of what our total sales is right now. Usually, that's what it is. In the long term, our consumables are actually going to be more than sales eventually when we stop selling as much as we are now. But this is good. This is good for quarter two. Diamond is diamond balls, baby. All right. The patents are so important so the technology does not get stolen. Yes. And for nano. Yes. Well said in Newsweek. It's not fair. I want my tendies now. I want them now. Me too. Me too. Bought in at 692. Is that good or not? It depends on your risk tolerances and your goals and your understanding of the company. But I'll say, for one, I'll just say, hell yes, it's good. Long term, anything under 10 is a steal, in my opinion. This is the future of every single cytogenetics lab that is doing greater than 500 base pair detection, unless there's something else that's going to replicate our technology, which is pretty much impossible. Even if they do, it's not like they can replicate the nanonozzle as well. I guess technically speaking they could, but no, it's not going to happen. We're getting all that market share. It's ours. It's ours, man. Sales will snowball, don't worry. And also, here's another thing you have to remember. When you're looking at the sales, here's another thing you have to remember. This stuff right here, this is going to get a huge bump up by the consumables because every single more installation that we have, that's not like, okay, the sale is done. You can only sell one sapphire one time, but the volume and the samples being analyzed from that sapphire, that just continues to go on. And if anything, it's just going to increase as the genomic space just increases and the demand for genomic research just increases, man. So it's only going to be a snowball and exponential effect for the consumable aspect of the sales. I hope so for the sake of the stock price, but I will still hold under until the fundamentals change. And with PLA codes going active in October, if quarter 4 and quarter 1 revenues don't show sharp increases, we'll have to reconsider holding everything. Jay, you tell me because you know more about this than I do. But the PLA, just because the PLA codes are effective, that's what the document says that we analyzed yesterday. That the final code descriptors for the PLA codes, whatever, they became available yesterday. You're telling me that the PLA codes, when they're effective, that means the reimbursables are active? Is that what you're telling me? New position, new job position, bro. Marketing manager in China. All right, let's check that out. Yes, sir. Let's do it. Brennan, can you believe we're down today? Can you believe we're down today after such a hyped up morning? I thought we were going to go up. When you told me there was 20 sapphires being sold, I knew it was too good to be true. But I still got I was like, okay, this could be the day. But it's not 20. It was just a rumor. But, oh, man. But it's still great news. All right, let's see here. Let's see if do they list their LinkedIn a little bit late? Sometimes I think they do. You might want to send me the link on here. No, you're saying new job position, marketing manager in China. I'm a 50 cents veteran, but what is the holdup on FDA approval? Well, there is a chance. I don't want to spread like rumors here, but I kind of am going to. But there's a chance that they've been working on FDA approval for months. There's a chance that it's closer than we think, and there's a chance that they haven't even started it yet. All right, 692 is good. I have 23K shares at 1287 average, and buy much higher again and again. BNGO is worse than any drugs and alcohol. Hey, at least you have that many shares to begin with, Laura, right? This is in Yahoo chat. Mega news generated this weekend that international something will send BNGO price per share soaring. Stay tuned. Any idea what? I think they're talking about the presentations that we're doing. Not. I think they misspelled. I think somebody accidentally misspelled one of these things. One of either the India thing. Yeah, they're probably talking about this. The international conference at India of the genetic counseling, probably. Costs hold down what a company or researchers can spend on flow cells. When reimbursement takes place, those costs will be drastically reduced, so they should easily be able to do more flow cells and more volume. Yeah, all right, cool. Awesome. Do we know how many confirmed sales we have? No, we don't. Brennan, I guess Brennan wasn't able to actually get a confirmation that that's absolutely fine. Okay, Brennan, thank you, by the way, for sending the news to me this morning so early, so I could get it out to everybody quick. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, we don't know for sure. We don't know. I mean, technically speaking, I mean, this is a legit source. Okay, I consider this to be legit, But technically speaking, we don't know how many sales this is. We don't really have much of a clue. I mean, I think the most likely scenario here is a couple or one at least. And honestly, maybe the most likely thing is that this is a commitment to buy X number of sapphires over time. I don't know for sure, though. It's just we don't know for sure. All right. Have you seen the new AMA PLA codes yesterday? I saw the new PLA codes for Bionano and Auspicious Genomics. 7,000 shares average 850 and 100 call contracts for January 2022. Hotto strong, boys and girls. Hell yeah, Sir Breezy. Diamond hands, diamond balls, baby. Hell yeah. A contract would be great. Yeah, it would. And we don't know. And remember, everybody, we don't know about it's not like the company is going to, come out in a PR and verify this. No, the company doesn't do that. The company doesn't announce sales during the quarter. They don't do that. Especially Bionano very rarely does it. So yeah. So be expecting that there's going to be a ton of sales that we don't know about right now that are going to be released in earnings reports. Okay, even if the revenue is bad, there's going to be some of those, and if revenue is good, there's going to be 1,000 of them. Not literally 1,000, right? Nasdaq is flying and we're stuck. Well, the thing is, the Nasdaq is flying, but high growth is getting decimated. I mean, it's getting decimated today. Absolutely decimated. All right, I appreciate your consistency, Temples. Thank you so much. Love the transparency with your positions too. Actually, single position and just BNGO. Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, it is. I am 100% in BNGO. If anyone doesn't know, yeah. If y'all think I'm like, profiting off of you guys, like, oh, he's just in it for the money. Okay, no one has ever criticized me on that. I don't think, because you can't, because I fundamentally have my 100% of the portfolio in BNGO. So if BNGO is suffering, I'm suffering. If you guys are suffering, I'm with you. I'm suffering. I'm going down with a damn ship if we go down. That's simple as it gets. Need to close above 671 today for lows to have been potentially reached. Contracts protect you to the downside, and the sooner in the money, the more it pays. Lol, damn, this is going to be a long weekend. All right. Yeah, high growth is down today. I just tweeted the link to you. Okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, Brennan. You're legendary. All right, we got new news. We got news, baby. We got 2 minutes of the close. I'll go after the close. See if we can close above, what do you call it, 672 or whatever, 671. Let's see if we do. It's going to be a long weekend. Well, 140,000 shares to be bought, 660. The whales are out to play, baby. We got fake walls. Fake. Whales. Manipulators. They're all here. 672 right now. Hopefully we can close the day above 672. Or at least 671, right? That's what Jay wants us to close at. Barcoding. Barcoding. Oh, man. And we are actually holding, and I'll talk about this in a second because we got 15 seconds here, but we are actually holding the 15-day simple moving average on the weekly, which is nice. Here we go. Let's see if this buys or sells at the close. Let's see. I'm scared. Here we go. And they're neutral. Neutral. About what? Less than 100,000 shares bought and sold. Maybe a little bit more than that. Right at the close. Right after the close. All right, that's a day, boys. All right. All right, boys, let me go. Okay, so let me recap the news today. Actually, let's just check this out. This is the new news right here. Marketing manager today. Okay. Marketing manager, CN. Development execution of all marketing plans, including lead generation programs, branding and messaging, and product launch. Woo, listen to this. Okay, I don't want to get everybody excited, but this is a new one. When did this happen? Just today? Whatever. Yeah, okay, today. Yeah, it happened today. This is a new listing today. And this is the marketing manager. Responsible for the development, execution of all this stuff and product launches. Bro, come on. Why? What other product are they launching besides the Sapphire 2.0 and Nano Nozzle? Evidence, baby. This is evidence. I think I would call this evidence at least. I mean, this is clear. They're launching a product sometime in the future. That's one of their the first primary responsibility. That's what it is. Okay, creation of product or company collateral. Aggregates marketing team. Aggregates marketing. That's a good word. Marketing team messaging and materials to create promotions and campaigns using the web, electronic. Okay, yada yada. Is there anything else cool in here? This is a new job listing that we just had right here. Launch responsibility if they're not going to launch some damn products. And now what products do we know about? Well, we know about the Sapphire 2.0. The prototype's coming out in a couple months here, Q4 this year, and then the Nano Nozzle, and then the Sapphire 2.0 itself is going to commercially release by the end of 2023, according to the company. And then the Nano Nozzle, the nanopore nanochannel sequencing device. That's the only product that we have. Those are the only ones. So, yeah, it's Nano Nozzle, and of course, we haven't even begun to price in what the Nano Nozzle could be because no one knows what it could be. I mean, they talk about fixing the errors of current nanopore sequencing. We just don't know to what extent that is, though. But yeah, that's nice. That's good to see. See you guys Tuesday. All right, yeah, thank you so much, everybody. All right, enjoy the 4th of July weekend, everybody. We will get our BNGO firework display in the near future. Yeah, hell yeah, we will. Tomorrow, green. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, Tuesday we will. Tuesday, hopefully. Brandon, I think my nozzle is absolutely turned on right now. Oh, man. Do you guys know the Nano Nozzle meme? Can I show you the Nano Nozzle meme? Where is it? Oh, it's not here. They posted it in the... Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. Nah, this is where the fun begins. Anakin, do it, Anakin. Yeah, so we have new product launches. That's evidence for Nano Nozzle. That is it, man. My nozzle is nano. Yeah, baby, it is. And the product launch is a responsibility here, so it's good news. And to recap the news on the day, so let's not just talk about that the entire day. So to recap the news, right? We have a new strategic agreement, strategic partnership with the Wickham's Bio, my friends. And they are collaborating and in current business cooperation quote with more than 200 hospitals nationwide. A lot of people, what do you call it? Cody Britt said earlier, is this are they going to be giving them free? Are we going to be giving these guys free sapphires to go and pitch to the hospitals? I don't know. Are they going to? Are we giving them a couple sapphires so they can go and present this stuff like they say they will? Yeah, we know for a fact that's going to happen, but this is good news. And we obviously had July 13th. That's when the CEO is presenting, and then today. We had 8 talks and post presentations at 13 European yada yada. That's July. That's this weekend. That's happening. And then the CMO at India, and she's also right now. I don't know if this has already happened. I don't think it is because they haven't. I don't think it already has happened yet. But they're going to post a thread. I assume that's what they usually do when the other presentation that's happening right now, or today at least, is going on, is done. So yeah. All right. So that's pretty much the news. That's pretty much the news, guys. All right. So with that being said, I did add 300 shares today, and that's what it is. I added 300 shares today. I mean, the portfolio is bleeding, obviously, but you can't complain. When you're in the green, you can't complain. So it is what it is. But fundamentally, the company's still getting better. The price is still going down. Be greedy when others are fearful, and buy when stuff is undervalued, not the other way around, right? Buy when everyone else is selling. Buy when we're going down, when everyone hates the company, not when we're going up and everyone loves the company. So that's just some things to keep in mind. Do what you got to do. The market's going down. Market correction. How low will that send us? I don't know. I don't know. That's something that that's something that I actually am trying to prepare for, or somewhat prepared for with my buying power. So, all right. With that being said, thank y'all so much, man. All right, India conference tomorrow. Sapphires will be bought up. Yeah, they will. I know. They will. Quarterly revenue, baby. Quarterly revenue. Hopefully, it's gonna be good. With that being said, let's take some last minute questions. Any questions? Anything that I'm forgetting? Anything you want me to talk about before we end it here? And we're done. And then I'll see you guys after the long weekend, right? Most time videos on the weekend don't do well. So I'll see you in the live stream on Tuesday for most of you guys. So it's been a god awful week, but weeks like these is not only what builds character, but it's what binds the community. It binds us by blood. Our destiny is locked, my friends, as BNGO shareholders, as changing the fate of healthcare and diagnostics forever. This is what we do. Put the company in a more auspicious position, baby. Hell yeah. Ivan, beer money. $4 donation, my friend. Thank you so much, my friend. This is for you. My friend. That's just water, but that's in preparation, my friend. Bullish or bearish today? Is it bullish or bearish? I mean, it's bullish because we got great news, but from a technical standpoint, it's pretty bullish as well. But it's not. I wouldn't say it's technically bullish or bearish, really. I would say it's about neutral. But we did bounce off this level, but we're still in downtrending territory. But we are oversold in a lot of things. But anyways, we'll talk about the tech. We'll have plenty of time to talk about the current chart setup over the weekend, I'm sure. So yeah, thank y'all so much, man. Thank y'all so much. Before everybody leaves, before we just get the last couple people with the last minute questions here, 5-10 minutes maximum of the stream in lifetime left. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys. Guys, you guys are awesome for having conviction. I'm very pleasantly surprised with the amount of the small amount of shit that we got when the stock price goes down. You guys know how it is. Stock price goes down, everyone hates me. Stock price goes up, everyone loves me. Not you. The OGs are smart. The people who understand the company are smart, but otherwise, and most of the people here this week, they've realized that the short interest is increasing a ton. High growth's getting killed. They actually look at the reason and not just blame me for like Brandon, what the hell, So thank y'all so much, man. All right, thank y'all. Thank y'all. You feel free to get out of here. We're going to take last minute questions and we're out. Okay, here we go. Let's read all these comments. 13.15 by August possible. Your price target. Yeah, it's definitely possible. Yeah, absolutely. If quarter two earnings is huge, which it definitely, I think it certainly could be. People disagree with me all the time. People, feel free to disagree with me. I've been wrong a ton this week, but I think it's certainly possible. From my perspective, it is. It absolutely is. $10, $8, $9, all of these are I would say $8 to $10 is very likely on quarter two earnings, but I could be wrong. And that's going to happen in mid-August most likely. Why do you think the market may drop 10 to 15% compared to a different percentage? To be honest with you, I think the market could drop even more than that. Oh God, I don't want to turn this into a NASDAQ rant. No, I'm not going to do that. But in short, John Graham, that's a great question though. I'll just say this. I'm keeping some buying power on just in case the bear case comes in, and as time goes on, I'm getting more scared about the bear case for the markets. But I'm getting more bullish on BNGO, so it's hard for me. It's like, well, the company's going down. That's why I added 300 shares today, because we got great news and we're down 1%. It's like, we've already gone down 10% this week, 15% this week. It's like, wow, this might be an auspicious buy. That's why I bought. But I have to keep some just in case, right? You have to keep some. All right. Hate long weekends. Yeah, me too, my friend. All right, Sir Breezy. You are not wrong, sir. $10 minimum by August 20th. NASDAQ key support level. Well, let's look at it. Key support level is this. This is what I'll say. Now, to be honest with you, the technicals don't really matter for the markets. What matters is inflation and the government policies and economics. But this is, from the technical standpoint, this is it. Right there. previous all-time high. You rejected this perfectly twice. Yeah, it's pretty obvious. I know. It's like, wow, Brandon, wow, you're a genius. You predicted. It's like, no, yeah, this is pretty simple. But yeah, that's the level that I want to see us hold. I want to see whenever the pullback happens, I want to see us bounce off this and then make it to higher high. That's what you want to see. That's what I want to see at least. All right. Aaron Dennis, if you're still out there, you're awesome, man. You're awesome, my friend. You're a legend. I will never forget Aaron Dennis. I know your name. Aaron Dennis is the person that I've met, and he's a legend. He was in the interview with Mark, the $7 million owner of BNGO. I think good earnings will get the stock to test the recent $9 highs. Good quarter 3 earnings should take it to test 12. Good quarter 4 earnings should get the stock to test all-time highs. Jay, I appreciate that a lot. What do you think good earnings is? Do you think that's 4, 5, 6, 5? What do you think the good earnings are? What's your definition of good earnings? Damn, it's going to. Do you just mean a beat? Like, it doesn't matter what the projections are as long as they're somewhat similar to what they are. Do you just mean a beat? Is that what you're talking about? What do you think? I noticed most stocks drop before earnings. Them suits. That's exactly. I mean, we're seeing the exact same pattern right now. Well, I mean, it's too early to tell, but we're seeing the exact same pattern. Exact same pattern. Right before earnings, the shorts and the bears pounce, and then earnings boom. And right now, August, this is about when the earnings is going to come out, somewhere in this range right here. Right, and that's exactly, and I mean that like this is on the chart, right? We got like a couple more weeks here, and then boom. Okay, we got less than 40 days, less than 40 days till earnings, man. Diamond hands, diamond balls. Damn, it's going to be hot this week in Texas. I think you can cut your hair soon, Brandon. No, I'm not. No, I was serious. No, the stock is getting killed right now, and I told you all I'm not shaving till BNGO. It doesn't matter. I can't even grow. It's not even growing. There's not much else growing. It's just more longer whiskers. Like, it's not like I'm growing anything anyway. I can't grow a beard, but I can grow long hair though, and I'm not cutting my hair till all-time highs, and I'm not getting I'm not shaving till BNGO it's 10. No, I'm serious. I will have way long hair. I will. I'm crazy enough to do that, and I'm that confident. I could be way wrong. Though. You know, what am I going to do if it doesn't hit it in like a year? I don't know. It has to beat consensus by at least 10%, but beating high estimates are better. By at least 10%. I think we can do that. I think we can. I think we will. Always down to shoot the breeze. Keep up the good work. Will do, my friend. I'll try to at least. I'll try to. All right, let's get out of here. Last minute question. Let's get out of here. I want eyebrows. Eyebrows? Shave the eyebrows at $10? I'll do that. You want me to do that? Cue the guitar riff. I was just playing guitar before this. I'm a metalhead, by the way, as if anyone cares. But all right, eyebrows. Yeah, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Shave the eyebrows all-time highs? What do you want me to do, Brendan? My friend, what do you want me to do? $25 shave eyebrows at $25. How long does it take eyebrows to grow back? Grow back. How long? 12 weeks? Wait, no. How long? 56 to 73 grays, bro? Oh my. 58 to 65? Wax the eyebrows at $10. Oh, I don't know if we can do that. I'll tell you what. I will shave the eyebrows if BNGO hits $10 off of quarter 2 earnings. Maybe. Oh, I don't want to do that. I take it back. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it, man. I don't want to do it. Have you listened to Silent Theory yet? I don't know Silent Theory. Is it a metal group? Are they metalcore? I don't know them. All right. Shave eyebrows because you need more forehead. Don't shave eyebrows unless we hit $50. Depending on the person, just look at your beard, Brandon. Oh, yeah, that's true. It's going to take forever. Yeah, it's going to take forever. Kill Switch Engage, Trivium, As I Lay Dying, Breaking Benjamin. I've seen them twice. They're not metal. They're more rock. But, yeah, I like them. But, yeah, when should we... Okay, I'll tell you what. if we hit I'll make this promise, okay, for everybody that's actually in the stream right now for some reason, right, wasting your time with me looking at my big ass forehead. I'll make you this deal, okay? I'll shave both of the eyebrows, like I'll literally shave them. If BNGO hits $12 by right when Q2 earnings drops, right after earnings, okay, so like mid-August. Hopefully I'll remember that. Hopefully I'll remember that. Deal. Oh man. Oh man. What have I done? What have I done? How about you shave one eyebrow and then shave the other eyebrow later? Okay, that's a good deal. Okay, what should we do then? What should it be then? What should the other one be then? Oh no. And balls. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. I gotta put this in the Discord now. I gotta pin this in the Discord. I have to shave. Okay, so wait, what is it? I have to shave. I will shave one eyebrow at $12 if we hit 12. Shave one if we hit $12 by Q2 earnings. Q2 ER. The other one. What is the other one at? When do I shave the other eyebrow? I'm shaving one eyebrow at $12, and the time frame is Q2 earnings report, like 1 or 2 days after the Q2 earnings report, or maybe the day of. Whatever, we'll figure it. If it's around it, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. I don't think it is, but BNGO hits 15 this month, full mohawk. Shave beard at 10, at 12 shave your head, and at 13 shave your eyebrows. Wait till you're 65. I have to trim my eyebrows every time I trim my beard, lol. What do you think? We'll definitely pub the channel. What should we do? What the other one is at? Their other one will be shaved at what? If BNGO hits what? I don't know. You tell me. Should we do another one or should it just be one? Should I just walk around with one eyebrow? What looks more stupid? No eyebrows or one eyebrow? I don't know. You guys are nuts. I love our community. That's why the community is good. We're crazy here. We're crazy bastards here, man. Shave everything when it hits 100. If Eric mentions FDA the very next time, just keep having different body parts for price target would be unique. Oh man. Okay, let's end it. We're losing viewers. Let's get out of here. All right, so I guess no one has a good idea. No one has a good idea for the other eyebrow. So, all right, here we go. I'll shave one eyebrow if we hit $12 by Q2 earnings. Done. Left for $12, right for $5. Oh, I don't even want to do that. That's just like depression. Oh, that's depression, though. It's got to be a fun time, though. No, I don't know if I'd want to do that, though. Color one purple. Let me pin this. Let's pin the message. There we go. Oh, everyone have a great 4th. I got one. Shave half your head and let the hair grow another half. Look at that. Yeah, gotta be celebratory. Yeah, I agree. It would be so depressing if it would be depressing if we're just going down like 20% and I have to shave it because it's $5. That just sounds saddening, doesn't it? Mullet. I already kind of have a mullet though. I have a mini mullet though already, you know. Get that razor ready. Oh man, I love it. You guys are the best. This is why we have the best community. Say what you will about BNGO, right? You may disagree with me, right? Everyone hates it when it's down, whatever. But you cannot deny our community is the freaking best. Bald on top. If this hits 50, you have to grow nose hair. Bald on top. I don't know. Okay, here. How about this? Bald. I like the half. I like the shave. I like the idea to shave half one side of the head and then let the other half grow super long. That just sounds retarded. Well, is everything on your head when we hit 20? Everything. I already said I'm not getting a haircut till 15, till all-time highs. I mean, what should we do? Well, I don't know. We have to have a time frame for it. If we're gonna do the half hair, half bald, half let it grow, there has to be a time frame for it. Maybe we should do an end of year thing. End of year 20, end of year 30, maybe. I don't know. I feel like we've already done enough though. So you tell me. Dye hair and eyebrows blue at $10 earnings. I can do that, I guess. Epic guitar solo live on stream if we reach $20 before end of year. Epic guitar solo. I don't know about that. I could do a guitar solo. I don't know if it's gonna be epic, but agreed. End of year. We should all give you shares for your hard work. If BNGO goes to 100, you wax your body and jump off a bridge on fire. Oh man, what's happening with oxygen? Okay, bold on top, mold in bad shape, tie on the right, purple. Nose ring. All right, this is getting outrageous now. This is getting outrageous. This is getting absolutely outrageous. Join the circus if it hits 20. And send it to Lineage and for Read this, guys, read this. And send it to Lineage and for hair genome optical mapping. And send the eyebrow hair there. Oh god, this is too funny. It went down because I still have hair, that's why. BNGO July 16, 2021, $9 call, 9 strike call, too optimistic. Maybe. I would do if you're gonna do an option, I would do August, not July. It's a lot safer in my opinion. Make your own decision. For $100, you have to get a bull's nose ring. Oh my god. Okay, nipple pierce with a teardrop tat when we take out the shorts. I'll tell you what, just for you guys. This is just for you guys. All right, here we go. This is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do. There's a ton of good ideas. This is what I'm gonna do. No. Here, let me do this. We'll go bald on half of the head if BNGO hits $30 end of year. No, you know what? 25. I'll do 25. Yeah, I'll do 25. Yeah, sure. I'll go bald on half of the head if BNGO is 25. Yeah, I'll let this side go bald, and then this side will be super long. Right, just make sure you're sending in all that hair for analysis. Yes. You guys think I'm joking? I'm crazy enough to do this. Is this good? Should I send this? Is there a reason that's good, Aaron? You think that's good? Get a tattoo under your food of BNGO at 25. What? No, I'm serious. Get a BNGO tattoo at 100. Oh, a tattoo, man. Oh, man, my family would hate me. They already do. They already do. What else can I do? It's already worse enough. Whatever. Might as well. Why do you have so many calls? All right, I say that's what we do. I say that's what we do. Foot. All right, I'm doing it. I'm pinning it. You guys think I'm joking? I'm insane. You guys have to understand, I'm crazy enough to do this stuff. Plus, it's good. Plus, hopefully the channel will benefit from it. Knowing my luck, the YouTube algorithm will probably see hair stuff, shaving hair, and probably be like, nope, screw that video. That's probably what will happen. But all right. Yeah, seriously, I'm serious. I mean, what is it? Okay, let's see. Let's go over them. Okay, so I'm going to go. I'm going to shave one eyebrow if we hit $12 by Q2 earnings report. Oh my god, what am I doing? I'm an idiot. We'll go bald on half of the head if BNGO is 25. What am I doing? Is this even a stock channel at this point? I feel like this is like a challenge, like a Dude Perfect type thing. Like, dude, this is not even stocks at this point. I'll just shave one eyebrow if we hit $12 by Q2, and I'm going bald on half the head and letting the other half go and grow long if BNGO is $25 end of year. What have I done? Oh, man. Ask out the girl of your dreams live on she's at 30 end of year with half of a head of hair. I'm from Springfield, Missouri. I want to do the eyebrow deal. We shaved a friend's years back when he passed out. Didn't grow back for ages. Oh, gosh. Oh gosh, what have I done? It's too late now. It's too late, my friend. I've already the dark side has already taken me, my friend. It's already over. I'm gonna buy stocks to see you shave. Oh my gosh. When will BNGO go up, man? I've been holding for 2 months now. I don't know, but if BNGO does go up, I'm screwed. If BNGO goes up to $12 by mid-August, I'm shaving one eyebrow. This is a mistake. Gotta meet that Waffle House babe with the half and half cut. I'll just wear hats no matter what. Oh, short edge update. Oh, we actually have something at the top. Okay, cool. We have a short interest update. It's down even more on the day, which is actually slightly bearish. Not really, though, because it's essentially zero change. Still at 22% of the flow, currently sold short. Buy an eyeliner, my friend. Yeah, dude, perfect. If BNGO hits 15 this month, need to hit a golf ball into a cup from 8 foot away. Get a stripper pole installed in that room and have some dancers on live stream. Oh god, you guys I love you guys. You guys are too funny. You guys are too funny. Shave hair and eat it. Okay, this is if you buy a put, the stock price will go up. All right, let's get out of here. What's in the stream? Okay, some dumb decisions were made. Peer pressure was applied, and I am stupid, and I made dumb decisions. And now we have to go bald on half the head if BNGO is 25 in a year, and we have to shave one eyebrow if we hit 12 by Q2. Oh god, I'm nervous. I'm scared. Now I'm regretting this. Oh my gosh, we just gotta do this every stream now. What? Oh man. When will you interview Eric Holman? Probably never, to be honest with you. I mean, honestly, knowing my luck. But if YouTube algorithm were to ever help us out, then I would be able to get at least a virtual interview, a Zoom thing at least, with some sort of management. I think we would set that up. Eric already said he's down to do that pretty much. So, all right, have a good weekend. Have a BBQ and call some girls over. Yeah, well, I still have hair. I might as well take advantage right now, right? Because I still have hair now, right? And it's gonna if BNGO does super well, it's over. It's over. Interview. Interview with the half and half. That's what we're calling it now. Half and half. That's too funny. All right, we're ending. I'm sorry. I'm done. I've wasted so much of. I've wasted my own time. I've wasted everybody's time. But now everybody knows that if BNGO does well, I'm screwed. I'm screwed. All right, with that being said, just do a long-ass mohawk. That would be cool. Get BNGO tattooed across your knuckles like Shango's Pew did. That's true story. The question, I could see that happening, to be honest with you. All right, thank y'all so much. There's the portfolio. Thank y'all so much, man. This is not financial advice. All right, let's get out of here. All right, have a great weekend, man. You guys know the spiel. I'll get out of here. Okay, thank y'all so much. It's not financial advice. We have the best community ever. I'm insane. I've made many mistakes today. With that being said, thank y'all so much. This is not financial advice. I will see y'all in the next one.